Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to claim real money items from the Chipy Shop and where you can check the status of your purchase. To claim a real money item from the Chipy Shop, first you need to log into Chipy and access the Real Money Shop. To do this, click on the Shop button located in the header and select Real Money from the Shop categories. Alternatively, you can also find real money items in the main shop page by clicking the Real Money filter. Keep in mind that to purchase a real money item, you need enough Chipy Coins, meet the minimum level requirements, and not have purchased another real money item in the last 14 days. Make sure you have a payment method added to your Chipy account to be able to redeem your purchase. If you don't have a payment method set up yet, you can do that from the User Settings page or follow the instructions given in our guide on how to add payment details on Chipy. Then select the item you wish to redeem and press the green Buy Now button. Confirm your purchase by pressing the Yes Send My Prize button. That's it! Once your purchase is approved by the QA team, the real money amount will be transferred to your preferred payment method within 7 business days. Since the transaction won't be processed instantly, you may want to check its status. You can do this from the user homepage, the Chipy notifications, or your email address. There are 3 different statuses. Pending, which means your request was successfully submitted, and the QA team will verify the validity of your request as soon as possible. Approved or denied, the purchase has been approved or denied by the QA team. And completed, the real money reward has been transferred to your account. If you have any questions or need help during the process, don't hesitate to contact our support team at support@chipy.com. We're here to help.